Yeah, rolling with Badawi and 2 dogs. We're on a road trip all the way down south, Palo Seco. You know, we're gonna plant some fig, some plantain, you know, and fish market.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're just gonna have a good time.
Nice.
Nice and mellow.
Is that typical Saturday?
Random Saturdays, you know. Is it 3rd time in what? 2 months ago now? Yeah, go and check on some seedlings we plant, about 140 sorrel, tamarind, Portugal, 5 fingers, corn. Yeah, yeah, movementation, right? Green shed first.
Green shirt first?
Right, get some doubles. Doubles, right on by. Time for you to eat.
2 alu pie, 1 doubles and 1 single.
And where'd you move from here?
Straight Palo Seco. Yeah, but yeah, one. No, yeah, I just up for bread for man. Yeah, well, you reach where I grew up, corner house. Now you see why I love football so much. Big ass field. Our cricket pitch in the center, but trust me, you ain't gonna see it right now.
So this is how you grew up?
Yeah, number 4 road, Palo Seco. Yeah, so I meet my aunt,
Right.
you know. And well, you see a multitude of plants.
Yes.
And when you go and plant.
Thomas said it's a greenhouse, so it must have plants.
Yeah. And well, when we go and plant and thing, we heading up in the back. Our way.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, we going to meet auntie?
Alright.
Yeah.
Come now, Darwin.
Good day, good morning.
As you see food in motion.
Yeah, sorry for keeping you back. I hear a serious pot on thing bubbling.
No.
This is my aunt. This is Badawi.
Badawi, nice to meet you. Things happening here.
Yeah, and
serious.
see, look here, soy sauce done.
Soy sauce done in that gear there. Alright, the ski looking fresh and nice, right?
Yeah, well, we here. Just to make sure we start things off early, we go head to the mother oven place and fish market.
Alright, yeah, very good.
Yeah. Even fish market. We down, you know. And the man who is buy fish from in here. Yeah, so it's Rebel.
Later.
Yes, they told me that.
Where you have from?
Where did you get? It's a rock salmon,
Rock salmon.
that red fish,
Carrot salmon.
and salmon. Yeah.
So eat today.
Today?
It's a big ass one.
Really nice sizes, perfect.
Right, so
Okay. How these two looking?
right, you're giving them 2.
Some curry?
Two curry. Small one.
Well, right. That's the sizes of the curry, right?
Yeah, I see this one.
We'll come with that today.
Yeah?
Tomorrow might be better. You know, every day don't be the same, but
Yeah.
you always
So
get a piece of fish.
if you're in public, come to Rebel
Yeah.
and you want your fish.
That's right. Come to Rubber, Erin Beach, every day, every night, every hour, every minute.
That's our $20 and you know we sort out. So clean up real nice. Clean up real nice. Well I go on and now. Thanks again.
You don't know, right?
Yeah.
That's all up right, and you know, thanks for everything and respect.
We here now.
We pass by the mother orphan people. We get them a little blind, a little small sale. All the bread generally like $25.
Well, we are the mother oven here, and this is the mother oven that we bake in. You know, right now we have some stuff inside here. Well, usually we fire it up, but we don't fire up for the morning, you see. We have some things inside there that baking right now, and we use the wood. You put in the wood inside there, you fire it up and you heat up the oven, and after the oven heat up, you sweep it back, and you put in your bread and things to bake. So this is how it come out here. Come here. Yeah. This is what we're doing here, see? That is our products there.
Smelling real nice.
Yeah. So that's the product they be doing, you know? Yeah.
It's smelling good.
Yeah. We just doing this from last year around October, so we started.
Okay, nice.
You know, but due to the COVID thing, we used to have a lot of people coming, but just due to the COVID thing and you know the lockdown and thing, you know, thing kind of slow up a little bit. But we still baking.
Right.
We still baking on a daily basis. You know what I mean?
Nice.
So this is how we do it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But I'm expecting to get back. You know, when people was going to the beach and all those things, I used to bake a lot more.
Right.
You know, but just as things kind of slow
This
back
used to be
up.
full.
Yeah, that used to be full up, you know. We used to have all different stuff. Pone, drops, cake, and all those things, you know. This is what it's all about. We're going back old school.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. The old school.
So we have to teach the younger generation about this thing here too, you know, because you know what I mean, we don't know, we culture dying out and we want to bring it back, that's where we come from.
Exactly.
I remember my old grandparents and them, you know, this is what we used to bake in, you know what I mean. I grew up doing this small, you know, you know, and that's why I learned to do this, you know.
Yeah.
I do everything myself.
So you build everything yourself?
I build everything myself. Even this make out of dirt too, you know.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, if you watch carefully, yeah, you have thing because the sanitary inspector require us to do the inside and stuff, you know.
Right.
So you see, I leave a little dirt so that people could see.
Yeah.
You know, it made out of dirt. You know, everything made out of dirt and grass.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that is and mud.
That way, what you taking?
I taking a coconut bake.
So, you want a coconut bake? So 2 coconut bake and 2 whole wheat.
Yeah, man. Bless thanks for
Alright, thanks
bringing
for
them, you
everything.
know.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you.
I appreciate all your comments.
Alright, take care.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
We have pone, we have pylori, we have snow cone, coming from the Jag and Joseph family.
Nice.
Trust me, you will like it.
Well, I come in to try. And I have a special snow cone there.
Of course, with punching.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
You're talking my language there.
Nice.
Yeah, alright.
We also have punch.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, is everything you have, right?
It's everything we have.
Alright.
And we have guava syrup and pineapple.
Explain to me what it is you have in here.
Ice and condensed milk.
That is not a snow cone.
Yes, this is a snow cone. Listen, when I was in school, every evening when you go outside by the snow cone lady, you order ice with condensed milk. They put condensed milk in the center, they put condensed milk on top, and you eat that, you're good to go. You don't need all this syrup. Bishops. I sure you have bishops girls here.
Yeah.
Who used to do that?
Right.
Like $5, I think. $5 or $4, something like that.
This has no punching, brother.
Okay.
Yours will have
Yeah.
punching. That's my home name. I'm not going to
Thank
give my
you
home
very
name.
Hope you all
much.
enjoy it.
We are enjoying it. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Nice, bye.
Nice to meet you.
I'm bringing it here, sir.
Right, that is the name.
Yes, I speak.
That is the
Where's
name.
your name? Say it. Where's your name?
I can't tell you. I
find out
can't
from
tell you. That is the
Before
name.
the end of the day, I'm going to find out. favorite potato salad. Some fish here.
Red beans.
Red beans.
A little chicken.
Some ice cream chicken. Nice.
Yep.
Nice. Thank you.
Dog, oh God, dog. That's it, overeating dog. It's easier to access it through the back here now. That's why I'm passing here. Yeah, well, the palm tree. Come up to one of your favorite trees soon, you know.
What's that?
Bay leaf?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, as I say, here's up in the back. The dam, you know. I think it's 2 caiman it have in there. Right, all these here is regular soil. So all them there will be growing up.
You know, people use the leaves as bhaji.
Yeah, I heard so. I never
tried
did it.
it?
I never did it.
So what is this?
Loofah. Use as a bait or torture, but this one ain't good. Insect here, it's apart.
That big thing in the States.
Yeah, this is sell.
This boy used to export them or something?
Yep. Yeah, normally there's be gold colored, a nice clean gold color. Right, but these old growth, you know. But big business here, you see selling in town. You know, so there's a torch or tree or loofah. There's a, woo,
Natural liquor.
yeah, insect take this one.
Ants.
Yeah, bachak.
Just widen it a bit. It's soft enough soil when it's moist, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one out of the 4 or 5 suckers that we had there. New crow. But are we this week is the victory? There's the victory cake.
I used to clean here with a hoe, you know.
Yeah, that old granny used to the hoe and
Yeah, hoe.
Let me say here.
all this.
With a hoe,
Yeah,
Yeah.
very practical.
how long I used to take?
Well, you do some every day.
Okay.
You see, if you brush with a hoe, you can take the edge and rip out this. You thin out all those grass tools. Now, you rest him. No disturbance. Don't go too deep with that now, go put up.
Yeah. It's been a good day. You know, more so for you. You get your experience.
Yeah, it was a nice experience.
Yeah, too bad. You know, things under lockdown. You
Could
get
not
to
go by the beach proper.
the beach proper. Or the beaches.
Yeah,
But that's too long here. You know? But yeah. You see little thing? You getting some Mokoto go with? Yeah. This one I cut there last week. What I think with the picture now,
Yeah.
on last week. See all these cassava and thing? We plant last year and thing. And earlier this year. Down tree. Right? A pine and thing all over there.
Kevin,
Yeah.
thanks, you know. It was
Yeah,
a
no
nice
see no
day.
no. Anytime.
Yeah.
Next time you have to come for this, a little relaxing day.
Right.
Yeah, just come
Yeah.
for a relaxing day.
Hopefully next time I come down with it's no restrictions to go on beach and them kind of thing.
Yeah, that crap. You know?
You know,
And,
Palo Seco,
watchman, if you come on the Boxing Day,
Yeah.
watchman,
Right.
more than vibes, real food.
Nice.
And I don't know how she's doing it. Some pastel small so she just chewing them up. And it's pastel. So,
Yeah.
Thomas, good meeting you. Marielle. Marielle, listen to the ways, eh? She says she
Yes,
wants to
sir.
go. King like us.
Yeah.
With the Lincoln on.
Yeah. I know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.